Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make any folder inaccessible and undeletable in Windows 10. So let's begin. So go to any folder that you want to make undeletable and inaccessible. So say for example I want to make this folder as undeletable and inaccessible. So select this folder and right click and click on properties. Now click on security. Now click on edit. Now click on users and click here deny. So now you can see here full control is denied. So modify also and edit, read and execute also I have selected deny. So now click apply and click yes and click OK and click OK. Now when someone try to access this folder, so you can see here this message will display you don't have currently permissions to access this folder. So when you try to delete this folder, you can see here you need permissions to perform this action. So by doing this your folder will become inaccessible or undeletable. So you can see here neither I can delete or access this folder. So to make this folder like a normal folder, right click again and click properties and go to security and click edit and select users. So this time click allow. That means you have to reverse the process, and this time you have to click on allow and click apply and click OK. Click OK. Now you can access and delete this folder again. So this is how you can make any folder in Windows 10 or any Windows computer undeletable and inaccessible. So that's it for today. So hope you like this video information useful for you. So if you are finding this video information useful, click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.